Peace and power, and welcome back to KTsAlchmy. I'm Nina, Katie's granddaughter, and today we're getting back into the big book of chart patterns. We are on chart pattern 35 rectangle tops and 36 rounding bottoms. And so what you're looking at on the screen is rectangle tops, and the directional bias is bullish or bearish. Pattern type is a reversal or a continuation. Pattern description. A rectangle is a non-directional pattern that can result in either a bullish or bearish breakout. A rectangle top is defined by the previous uptrend before the formation. The formation is when the price oscillates between two horizontal price levels or channel. Volume description. Volume tends to decrease throughout the formation regardless of the direction it breaks out and expands on the breakout. Breakout confirmation, a close above or below the channel with above average volume. Measuring technique. Subtract the height of the highest high and lowest low of the channel and then add or subtract that amount from the channel depending on the direction it breaks out. Statistical notes. Throwbacks hurt performance, and wider ranges between highs and lows perform better than shorter ranges. Rectangles with a falling volume trend and high volume on the breakout tend to perform the best. And so I just want to make sure we get a clear view. And so it could be bullish or bearish. It can break out in any direction, but this is what it looks like. It's also known as consolidation. And on here you can see where it's going back and forth right here, right here. And this is the same thing, showing you back and forth between price points. Okay, so the next chart pattern is rounding bottoms. Directional bias is bullish. Pattern type, a continuation. Pattern description, a rounding bottom pattern is a continuation pattern of the prevailing uptrend. The pattern forms a concave or rounded bottom to its price. Volume description, volume would tend to mirror the price as it rises and falls with the price, then expands on the breakout. Breakout confirmation. The confirmation for this pattern is a close above the lip of the rounding bottom on above average volume. This can be difficult at times when there isn't an apparent lip on the left hand side of the formation. Measuring technique. Subtract the height of the highest high and lowest low of the rounding bottom and then add to the breakout level. Statistical notes. Throwbacks hurt performance, and patterns with wide ranges between highs and lows or longer forming patterns perform better. And so what you're looking at on the screen is an example of a rounding bottom. This is another example of a rounding bottom. Yet another, and again it's a bullish pattern, meaning that it's going into a buy. And yet, last but least, another example. Peace and power, y'all. And I am out of here.